we've completed the floors. Now we're moving on to the trunk spot. I'm going to kind of vacuum all the debris out, figure out exactly what needs to be cut out and replaced, and basically do the same thing with the floor. Cut out the old shit, weld in some fresh new metal, and then undercoat it. So let's get started. Alright, so I've vacuumed the trunk out. I already marked a couple rust spots that were there a while ago, so I'm going to cut them out. Throw some gloves on. Okay, so I've cut out this. This is a really nasty part. And this is kind of interesting. So right here is where the one of the body mounts is located. I had to cut it out, but you can see in here all this rust and crap. If I didn't open this up and kind of clean it out, if any water got in, and it would just kind of continue to rot, and all of this work would be completely useless. So I'm glad I took the extra step just to cut out the little bit of rust that was there to find all this garbage. Cool. There it is. We go test fit. Pretty close. I gotta trim it a little bit. We'll make it fit. new metal is in. Just got to grind the welds down. I'm going to vacuum out the trunk one more time, and then hit it with some same black undercoating like it's on the floor on the inside. And then I can transfer all the Grand Marquis parts that I've got stored at my shop to the trunk. And then scrap the Grand Marquis and get this motor in the car. Anyway, back to work. What do you want to play with? What do you want? You want to build something?
Yeah.
Like what? I'm sorry? A crack? A nail what? How are we going to build that? Really?
Yeah. And put glue on and...
How do we build it? Do you know how?
Yeah. How? We're going inside.
We gotta go inside though?
Yeah.
Oh.
Forward.
I don't want to go inside.
You only have to do my bottle. Yeah.
But if we go inside, then we can't play outside. And it's so nice.
Get outside.
I don't want to go inside. Can I grind some metal first? I gotta though. I'm gonna grind some metal. I'm gonna put my gloves on though for metal grinding. Back out. Patches are all done. I'm gonna hit it with some primer, and then prep it for the undercoating like we did on the interior. That was the last video. Ignoring, I have a mask on. Okay, so now we let it all dry. I'll come back, give it another wipe down, and then we'll spray it with the undercoating. See you guys soon. Trunk is done. You can see, looking pretty sweet, pretty fresh. I didn't record painting it this time because it's kind of boring, but it's all done. Now I've got to bring a whole bunch of parts home. Gotta bring a whole bunch of parts home that I've been storing at the shop, so I can store them in the trunk, and then I can finally start working on the engine, getting that. Basically, I have to clean up all the old rust and old paint, grind it down, paint it. I don't know what I'm going to paint it yet. I think I'll just stick it in primer and then bring it home and see if I can make it fit inside this engine bay. Yeah, other than that, keep following along and maybe have an engine in this thing by Christmas. Fingers crossed. Catch you guys later.